drilling a hole the only way to mount a TV? If you have a huge pillar like this, do you need holes to mount a TV? Well, no. Whether it's concrete, it's cement, it's brick, it's wood, it's metal, you can mount your TV the CondoMounts way. Want to see how? Let's go. These are the standard TV brackets, the back brackets. In CondoMounts, it's a bit different. Ta-da! So you see here, these two hooks right here, the hook back thing, it is specially made for CondoMounts, pillar TV mounts. These TV mounts are indoor mounts, and you have to replace the old ones with the new ones. I'm going to do it right now. These are called spacers. These are used to make sure that the bracket and the TV has some space in between, so that when you use this, the TV will be a bit more to the front. Right now I'm going to fix the CondoMounts bracket. Alright. Okay, when you're fixing the CondoMounts brackets, make sure these hooks are turned down this way, right? This way. Alright, a question to the viewers today. Should I fix the bottom screw first or the top one first? And if it is the top or the bottom, why is it so? Answer in the comment, guys. So as you can see here, I have fixed the brackets, and you need not to worry because all the screws are all given in the set that you get your CondoMounts pillar TV mount, right? So let's go to the next step. So what are we going to do next is this, alright? So here I have the CondoMounts pillar unit, right? This is the pillar unit. Okay, this one is a large pillar unit, right? It's different from the smaller version. And I'm going to mount this on the pillar right now. So as you can see here, I've already mounted the top half of the strap, and I'm going to do it for the bottom strap. As you can see here, I've already placed the main pillar plate on the pillar. So this pillar is huge, guys, huge. So that's why CondoMounts always gives you extra strap to make sure it suits the large pillar. Alright, the difference between the small pillar one is number one, the size of this plate. Next, this ratchet. Okay, this ratchet is bigger, it's more, it can withstand higher weight. And yeah, so that are the differences between a small pillar mount and a large pillar mount. Okay, next, what should we do? Right, simple, just take out these bolts that you see here. And on these bolts, there are also these washers. So remove them too. And next, what you gotta do is, so this right here is the main TV mount, right? So you gotta line these holes right here. Okay, check the arrow, make sure the arrow is pointing up. Align the holes with the holes on the mount and place it onto the plate. Right, so next what you do, remember these washers, right? These washers. Let's place the washers first, and then these bolts right here. Alright, I'm just using my hand for now just to show you guys. You gotta need a spanner to tighten the bolts. And alright, I'm just gonna show you guys. So yeah, that's it guys, that's it. So as you can see here, this TV mount right here is a full motion TV mount, which means it can swivel 360 degrees. Right, that's number one. And another good thing was this TV mount, the TV can be tilted, right? So we have done placing this. Okay, remember this is an indoor unit. It's an indoor unit which you can place your TV. If you have a pillar in your living room, place your TV on this mount, no drilling required. And there are a few questions saying that you don't have a pillar. Well, you don't have a pillar, then get a metal stud TV mount instead. We CondoMounts have the TVT8084, and it comes in three different variants. The first one is the fixed, the second one is the tilt, and also we also have the advanced tilt advanced tilt metal stud TV mounts. You can look at that if you want to mount your TV on metal stud drywalls. And if you have a pillar in your living room, this is what you should get. Let's mount the TV. Alright, the final stage of mounting a TV on a pillar is now. Right, so I'm going to lift up my TV, make sure the hinges fall into the TV mount like that. Alright, and that's it guys. So if you look here, this TV keeps on falling down. So it's actually because of the hinges. There is a bolt here where you can adjust the hinges. Right, let me just get them. I have adjusted this hinges right here with a hex key. So sorry for lying to you just now. You also need a hex key, which also comes with the mount. Alright, and also this Phillips screwdriver to place these vertical brackets on the TV. So there you go guys, this is the full motion CondoMounts pillar TV mount, and this is the huge pillar, the large pillar variant. Alright, and we also have another one which is a smaller pillar version where this pillar plate is smaller than this. Alright, and also the ratchet here is also smaller, and it is suitable for smaller sizes TV. This one is suitable for bigger sizes TV. Right, so that is how you mount a TV on a pillar if you have a pillar in your house and you don't want to drill a hole just to mount this TV.